This is program 2 of session 3, and what we're looking at here is a program to swap two numbers by using a third variable. Starting off in the beginning here, we don't have anything new going on. It's just really the preprocessor and then the namespace declaration, and we head off to our main function. So we're declaring those three variable placeholders, which will be A, B, and C, and they'll all be integers. At this point, they're all set to 0 by default, and what we'll want to do is actually store values in them or initialize them explicitly with the values that we've chosen. So A will equal 10 and B will equal 20. We actually go ahead and print that off. So you should see the value of A is 10 and then the value of B is 20. Let's run that and see how that looks like. And there you go, as we expected. Now the goal here really is to swap these two, right? So it should print value of A is 20 and then the value of B is 10, okay? So first thing you might think of is just doing something like A equals B, right? And then B equals A. The problem with that is that at this stage, we would set A to 20. And then when you go ahead on the second line and copy the value of A, the value of A will be 20, right? So then B will end up being 20 as well. So to get around that, what we can do is use a third variable, which is C. So we can say C is equal to A, okay? And then you can do A is equal to, let me see here, A is equal to B, right? That's normal. Then when you get to B, rather than taking that value from A, right, which at this point will be 20, you can take it from C, which stores the original value of A, okay? So you can just do that. And if we run this, hopefully it should have the intended effect now. And there you go. So the value of A is 20 and the value of B is 10. So we've actually used C as a halfway point, essentially. And that's it for program number 2.